Hello car fans and welcome to Jungeon Studios Prototyping. In this series we're going to show how we restored a 1989 Hualmark enclosed trailer. I bought the trailer just so that I could have something for hauling my ski bowling machine. We call this machine ski bowling. It's 20 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 10 feet tall, and it uses 10-pound bowling balls. Yeah, it all breaks down to fit in this 4x8 foot trailer. It's a great addition to any convention or party. Now, buying a trailer should have been easy, but I kept running into scams. eBay, Craigslist, and even that Letgo app. The scams would go like this. They would post a nice looking item for a really good price. Then, they will pass you off to a second person when you call or text them. This person would give some BS story why they need to sell quick or why they're selling so low. Like, so-and-so is going into the military, they need to get the car out of storage, whatever. They even offer to ship the item for free, including those trailers. Like, who ships a car or pays to ship a trailer? The scam comes when they ask you to pay for the item with eBay gift cards. These are not protected by eBay's buyer protection, so as soon as you give them that gift card number, bam, your monies are gone. After digging through quite a few listings, I finally found a seller on Letgo that had a real trailer. We met up, I looked over the trailer, took pictures of his license plate, and bought the trailer for $800. One initial disappointment was that the lights did not work. The seller had said that the trailer was roadworthy when I first asked about it. It made it home okay, even got pulled over by a cop. He ran the license plates for me and found that everything was in order. I fixed the lights and used it for a few trips until the axle rusted off. So, now we need to fix this thing.
Oh yeah.
Why, he's gonna take my trailer?
He's going to get his trailer because he's seen the condition of yours and he's worried we're going to steal stuff off of it.
It might be as bad as mine. It's been sitting. That's what's wrong with this one.
I said he got the cutoff wheel. We can cut off this bracket, get that out of there.
Yeah, I wonder if I can get more of that stuff to put it back in.
Like I said, we might be able to just fucking figure something else out.
Well, I just need to make it work good for like the next 2 years or something, you know? Because that's all I really need it for.
I was thinking that tongue and groove, man, because then you won't have that problem.
Yeah, but then won't we need tongue and groove on the side then too?
Well, it'd be nice to be able to get that fucking wood you put on your truck. That plastic.
Plastic shit? No, dude, I was lucky to find that.
Because then you'd be able to frickin' go from there all the way over, tongue and grooved.
We'd have to seal the gaps though, at least.
What gaps?
In between the wood.
No, it's tongue and groove. Tongue and groove.
Oh, yeah, it has a piece that you add in for the ones that I have.
Yeah. But they make other ones. Other ones that don't have that.
I think for now, we'll slap the old floor back in after we fix up the metal work and call it a day for that. And just make sure that we have something on the sides so that the top is attached to the bottom.
Yeah, what worries me is that corner. That's bad.
What, the rust in here?
Yeah. That's why I was saying we should probably remove this bar.
Well, this is solid. Same thing with this one. See how that is?
Yeah. I'm talking about inside corner.
Oh, the inside corner?
See it? It's gone.
Now I was hammering on it. Oh, that thing? That's been sitting for years.
Yeah, that's fucking nice.
This has got rust, Mike, but it's still solid on the bottom.
Yeah.
You feel it?
Well, I'm just worried about putting the wood back down on.
Oh, that thing there? Okay, I see.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
This is all rusted the fuck out.
That's rusted away.
We take this piece off and you're not going to have nothing. There's nothing there right now.
Alright, we'll have to weld the lip on it.
We got to find the metal.
Oh, it's probably jammed because it's not sitting straight. With the frame being like broken, it's probably pulling on that. Don't lose those. Those are nice pieces of angle iron.
Okay, now we got 2 more screws right there.
And then these guys on this side. Yeah, got it?
Whoa.
No?
You gotta move that.
Like that?
Yeah.
I'll hold it. That's not good. I left them on the counter. That's for to be safe. Need a chisel or an old screwdriver. I think it's on there.